SMTasker, powering social growth from real devices. One dashboard, unlimited momentum. You're posting, liking, following, replying, switching accounts, and then doing it all over again tomorrow. Growing by hand just doesn't scale. SMTasker handles it for you on real Android phones. Platforms see genuine activity from a real device, so your reach goes up and restrictions stay low. Getting started takes 3 steps. First, the body. Connect a real phone or emulator. That's what does the actual work on screen. Second, the identity. Add your accounts. SMTasker needs to know where to act. Third, the brain. Choose your actions from a full toolkit. Likes, follows, stories, comments, and hit start. That's it, you're live. From there, every account runs on its own. It's safe human-paced limits you control. 1 phone or 100, same simple setup, same trusted devices, just more of them. SMTasker. Real phones, real growth. No code, no fuss. Visit smtasker.com and get started in minutes.